Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum is at an important decision point here. As explained in the previous video, there is either the idea that off this low, the 12th of May low, we rallied in an A wave, a B wave, the B wave as a triangle, yeah, then a C wave to the upside, and that's not complete yet. And we are now in the C wave, and the C wave is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 structure. To make this work, it needs to hold the 1814 level. That's the level we discussed in the last two videos. It actually entered our target area overnight, but now it needs to reverse to make this work, okay? So below the 1814 level, something different happens. So my interpretation is that if we break below 1814, that the top is already in here, and that also the C wave is here, yeah, and that we are forming an impulse to the downside, which would look like this: wave 1 to the downside, wave 2 to the upside, wave 3 to the downside, wave 4 to the upside, wave 5. So that means we should get either way some kind of a bounce here from this location somewhere. We can go a little lower. Should then get a bounce if this is going to unfold like that. So let's zoom in. At the moment, I leave it as it was, that we get a higher wave 2, but I'm not convinced we will at this stage, okay? So I'm just not changing it because this idea hasn't been invalidated. So this is the micro count where we said, okay, there is a chance that this was a wave 1. Okay, not a reliable one, but it could be. Wave 1 of wave C. This here is a wave 2, because at the moment we only have 3 waves down. Yeah, we could get one more low here in this wave 5, yeah, absolutely we could. But it's basically at a decision point here. And I can currently count, as I said, 3 waves down. I can count an A wave down, I can count a B wave. And then this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. Might get one more tiny low in this C wave. So ABC, I have 3 waves down. Yes, we briefly broke below 1814, but we haven't broken it and sustained below it. And we also haven't invalidated the 1-2 setup, which would occur if we break below the beginning of the wave 1. So that would be at 1800, okay? So at the moment, if it turns around now, and also if it holds that trend line, it's all okay. If it breaks below that trend line, then I think, yeah, we're also then taking out the 1814 level, and then there's a significant chance that this is actually already something more bearish. Eventually, we do expect one more low anyway. The question is just, okay, do we go down from here, or do we get that C wave rally to the upside before we come down? This is a very, very clear decision point. Below 1800, it's invalidated. And what would happen then? Well, it's quite simple. What I'm counting as an ABC would just be simply here. The A wave would be the first wave. The B wave would be the second wave, the wave 2. The C wave would be the wave 3. If we then get another wave 4 and another wave 5, then we have 5 waves down. That would count as a wave 1. Then we wait for an ABC pullback, will define resistance, and then it can head down. Yeah, and this would then also be a wave 2. And that is how we would distinguish now between these two scenarios. So that's exactly now the decision point where we are. At the moment, we have 3 waves down, which is why I still accept that upside scenario. We also haven't broken the support and sustained below it. So everything's still on the table at this stage, but yeah, just be aware of the relevant levels here. And yeah, that's everything I can really say about Ethereum at the moment. I think we may get a bit of volatility. Hopefully we will, as a result of the FOMC meeting minutes today, but I'm a bit skeptical. We normally don't get too much, or at least not in the last few months, maybe today, because everybody's now sort of, trying to find out, are they really going to stop the interest rate increases maybe from June already? Yeah, I think it's around about 20 days until we've got the next FOMC meeting, plus minus. But yeah, okay, that's my update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.